Well, welcome to Unit 109-31158 Westridge Place out here in Abbotsford. Today we're going to view a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit in here. It's 1,005 square feet. Faying Grant of XP Realty. Her information can be found in the description below. After the tour of the home, we'll also look at the clubhouse facilities with the amenities that are included in your maintenance with this unit. So let's go on and take a look. Well, one of the great things about living on the ground floor unit here is that you can access it through this walkway and come right into the property. You have this huge outside space and deck. You have a patio that's right here, but you have all this space in the corner that's private and exclusively yours. You're the one that gets to use this, whether you want to have lawn bowling or maybe even croquet with the kids. It's a perfect place, and you've got this patio space here where you can have outside furniture, perhaps a barbecue, a dining set, and you're south-facing. It's a fantastic outside location. Now we're inside where it's nice and warm. At least I can take my jacket and hat off here. You come into a nice foyer right here at the beginning. We have 9-foot ceilings. There's a coat closet right here, and then you have your stacking laundry right here. Your whirlpools are right in the hallway. Nice location to have. Well, from the foyer, we'll head down this direction, and the first stop is the family bathroom right here. You have a deep soaker tub, ceramic surround on the shower, beautiful floors. Nice little bathroom. And over here we have our second bedroom. Currently the bedroom is used as a kid's bedroom, but it'd make a nice office or a den for a couple, or again another kid's bedroom. And the blinds here are automatic. They come down with the remote and black out the room, so anyone can get some sleep in this room. Out of the bedroom here we come into the open floor plan living, dining, and kitchen. But I want to point out right along this side here, we've got these lacquered cabinets with extra storage inside. There's a pantry here, extra storage way up top as well. And let's head into the primary bedroom. Well, the bedroom is huge. It has a king-size bed here. We still have the 9-foot ceilings and a beautiful view out the window to your garden. And right here at the front is a walk-in closet with lots of storage space and drawers. And behind me is the primary bathroom. What a great primary bathroom. These quartz countertops with the undermount sinks, the ceramic tile floor. You have this glass shower right here in the corner, and this soaker tub. It's very deep. It's awesome tub to be at. Well, those are the 2 bedrooms that were here. And now we're in the open floor plan part of the living, dining, and kitchen. And I wanted to talk about this built-in that they have here in the living room. Lots of extra storage cabinets down here, TV up here, a right place for the sofa to be to watch TV. We head over here to the dining space. They have a big dining room table. There's light fixture up here, and they put this bench right here by the door so you can have a seat and put on your shoes and get ready to go outside. We have this beautiful engineered flooring throughout the place. I love the color they chose. And then we head right into the kitchen, and it's a massive kitchen. It has quartz countertops all the way around. There's an undermount sink here. We have our dishwasher. This large window, you can see outside, so if you have children, you can watch them play and keep an eye on them the whole time. You have an induction cooktop here. It's a whirlpool unit with your fan up top. You have beautiful tile behind it. I love this gray kind of thin subway tile. There's a pantry here. I love the use of the lacquered cabinets too. You have your fridge. There's a microwave down here, so it's out of the way and not on the counter. And then you have this massive island, great for prep, perfect for kids to do schoolwork if they want. There's plenty of space for 3 to 4 stools here, casual meals if you're not using the dining room. But this plan is perfect for a young family or a couple for the first time buying into the area. Well, that's the end of our tour here today at 109-31158 Westridge Place. I'd like to thank the listing agent Fayne Grant of XP Realty for giving me the chance to come through this unit and look at it. If you want more information about this property, you can check it out in the description below and contact her. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And right now, we're going to head over to the clubhouse and look at the amenities there that are included with your maintenance fee. So let's go on and take a look. Well, Club West is part of your amenities package with your maintenance fee. And inside the club, you have access to an outdoor pool, hot tub, children's play area, outdoor barbecue, dining, an outdoor fire pit, and inside you can enjoy billiards, a function room that you can book with a dining room table and bar. There's a lounge with fireplace. Downstairs we have a indoor hockey arena. There's a pet wash facility for your pets, and upstairs there's also a fitness studio available. All of this is available with your maintenance fee here at your building.